In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WooCommerce My Account page, both fast and easy. Let's dive right in and transform your site to have a seamless My Account section for your customers. To begin, you'll need to access your WordPress site. Head straight to your WordPress Dashboard. This is your main control area where you can manage all elements of your site. Once there, you want to look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Pages. This is where all your site's pages are organized, and it's your starting point for creating a new page. Now you'll see an option labeled Add Page. Click on this to start creating a new page. This process is straightforward. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new page. Let's go ahead and name it My Account. This is important because it's where your customers will go to manage their personal details and view their orders. After naming your page, look toward the right-hand corner and hit Publish. This makes your page live and ready for use. With your My Account page created, it's time to integrate it with WooCommerce. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and find WooCommerce in the navigation menu. Click on it. Once you're on the WooCommerce page, you will want to head to Settings to adjust some configurations. In the Settings menu, you'll notice a tab called Advanced. Click on this tab. Here you can customize various pages, including the My Account page. This is where things start to come together. Under the My Account page section, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you should see the My Account page you created. Select it to set it as the designated My Account page. The final step is crucial. Make sure you click Save Changes before leaving the page. This will ensure all changes are applied and everything is set up correctly. Forgetting to save may mean your changes won't take effect, so always double-check that this step is completed. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've added a functional My Account page to your WooCommerce setup. This simple addition provides your customers with easy access to manage their personal information and orders and enhances their overall shopping experience on your site. By following these steps, you've streamlined a crucial part of your online store, setting the stage for better customer interactions and potentially increased customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy site building.